Greetings one and all, how's everybody doing? Sorry, the camera was tilted down just a bit. Alright. This is a video request. Well, maybe not a video request, but a VR video that I wow, started this off horribly. Take two. Anyway. Wow. So I told Kat in the North I would do this video. I guess she was having some problems with some problematic commenters. Just throwing hate, being disrespectful, being rude, and I wanted to go over some YouTube page settings and what I do. And I don't know if anybody ever knew this or not, but I actually have all my comments set to approval only, because I've gotten, rude comments, and I've gotten haters, and I've gotten, Captain Obvious telling me that I'm fat. It's like I don't know that, and it's like I haven't been honest about it in my videos. So I'm like, yeah, and I was waiting for the punchline. It's like, come on, man, if you're gonna come at me, at least be funny about it. I mean, don't just be rude. So I will just absolutely just remove someone from my channel if I have to. I try not to. First time commenter, never saw them before. I guess they thought they're just gonna be a smart ass and insult me like I haven't heard everything before. It's like, come on, man, at least be new and original. Don't just give me the "you're fat." It's like, yeah, I know. I know every day. Every day I button up my pants and put on a shirt. It's like, yep, need to lose weight. So I'm gonna go over some settings, what you can do, what I do. It seems to help, and hopefully this will help any content creators out there. If you haven't realized this, some of you probably already have these settings going, but for those of you who've wondered, yeah. So let's get I'm gonna change cameras for better focus and get the screen turned, and we'll get to it. All right. So I get the screen turned. This is my main page. Hopefully the details coming out okay. Trying to get it set up right. Plus working around the tripod. So go up to your picture here. Simply click it. It'll give you your whole rundown. You can click YouTube Studio. This is where I go. Now I'm doing this on a PC. I have no idea how to do this on a phone. It gives you your subscriber count, how much money you, because I run ads, so you got a whopping $27. Yeah, rolling in the big bucks here. Tell you what, that's actually enough for lunch, one time. So anyway, you want to scroll over here, so you have your content tab, which gives you all your videos and how many views and likes and dislikes and all that, yada yada. Even videos that I've got scheduled, so like I've got a chili cheese dog video coming Friday, I guess, and a knife video coming Saturday. I still need to edit for Sunday, but then you have your playlists and blah blah blah, your analytics, which I really don't look at my analytics all that often. So I'm actually down on views because I haven't been uploading videos because of the computer problem. So I hope you guys can see that on the right here. So then you go to comments, and I have all my awesome commenters. Oh, I missed a comment. Actually, I missed two. Oh, I'll have to go back. I'll have to go comment on those. I try to respond to every comment. So if you scroll down past your audio library, where, by the way, if you didn't know that, that's where you can get your music from. If it will go. Come on, man. So you can they have sound effects like kids playing. Factory background, truck driving, straw squeak. Anyway, they also have music too. Where am I going? Anyway, so scroll down to the bottom here. Maybe you guys can't see that. If you go down to the bottom, you'll see settings. So you hit settings. Now you have your general, so I have mine set to US dollars. I'm going to raise it up again. Then you have your channel, which, I also have the keywords already typed in. I got hammock, bannock, budget, dirt time, bushcraft. You have your advanced settings. Here, you have to kind of scroll through. You can hide your subscriber count if you want. You can save if you can't channels channel well, you basically have to kind of go through it and figure out what you want to have in there. And then you go upload defaults. And they can actually pre-title all your videos if you want to. Like if I know a guy who puts his name in. I used to put my channel name in the title of the videos. And when you save that, every time you upload a video, that's gonna be there. I've got the link to the video that goes over all my camera equipment already in the description, and then the tags I said. And then you have permissions. So I'm the owner. So you have community. I don't have any moderators, but I have approved users, and I'll go over that in a minute. But I also have hidden users too, which and then I have blocked words. Some of these are swearing, so pardon the F word, but I have certain words blocked out. You can just type them in at whatever you want. If you don't want someone saying, you know, jerk face, you just type that in, and now jerk face will be blocked. So, and I can select block links, and then let's see, where is it? Agreements. I think it's under permissions, community. I think I missed it. Oh, under defaults. There it is. So you can select allow all comments, or you can select hold potential inappropriate comments for review. And this is where I have it set. Let's see if I can get in closer on that, because that's really the problem with. Come on, camera. Oh, there we go. Okay. You can increase the strictness. I've actually never selected that. You can hold all comments for review. So no comment will go through unless you approve it. So that's that. And you can also just disable your comments and hold potential inappropriate chat messages for review. I just have it select hold potential inappropriate comments for review. And usually, you know, I'll just save that. Then I'll go back up to content. Actually, no, I need to go to a video, so I'll go to my channel. And then I'll hit that. I guess I'm still zoomed in. Damn it. Okay, gotta zoom back out. Now I'll just go to the local eats video. And I'll pause it real quick, because you guys have probably already seen it. And I'll have my list of awesome commenters, like Dream Creations and Adventures. And Jackie Blanchard, Paul Goes Outdoors, Shelf at 8, blah, blah, blah. All these awesome folks, commenters. Appreciate you all. And then if you go up to... So if you go all the way to the right, there'll be 3 little dots here. And if you click that, you can pin, remove, report, and hide user from channel. So if I had someone who was being rude, I could just simply hide that user from my channel. And I haven't had any new comments. But there's also one that... Where does it go? Is it here or is it the other one? Hang on. I'm trying to remember now. Because it's been a little while since I've done this, so... Come on. So much for high-speed internet. Content. Oh no, I want to go to the comments. Comments, and where are the dots? Oh, here it is. I can remove his comment, report him, hide user from channel, which I'd never do because it's Dominic Manischetti. He's awesome. You can select always approve comments from this user. So when Dominic comments, it will always go through because Dominic's awesome. Just like Showlight 8, just like Subarctic Wolf. Subarctic Wolf, Tools and Outdoors. You know, every one of these commenters is always approved. Oops, bumping the tripod. And yeah, so I just go through, and that way I don't have to sit there and approve every comment. I can just always approve their comment. So they will always go through, no matter what. So I hope that helps. Looks like I got 3 new comments. Who we got comments from? Expeditionary Johnny, Backpacking with Buckley, because I commented on his channel. Good dude, by the way. You should check him out. Real good dude. Much respect. Alright. Alright, so I was trying to keep this video kind of short, so hopefully I didn't ramble too badly. I'm already moving the files over from the camera to the PC. I'm basically going to edit this real quick before I run to the grocery store. Need more bacon and need more English muffins, so I hope this helps if anybody's making videos and they're trying to figure out the comment section. Sometimes you just got to go into your creator studio and just start, looking. That's how I kind of just stumbled on it. I'm like, oh, default settings. I think I saw the default settings in a video, and then I just kind of figured out the comment thing. So anyway, I hope that helps. I will link Cat in the North video below. I did mention several people, but I probably won't link them all. But if you go to my comment section and you look for their names, you'll see them. So anyway, have a great day. Look out tomorrow. There's gonna be a cooking video coming up. Chili cheese dogs. Yeah. So I still got to edit for Sunday, but I can hopefully do that tomorrow and not run out of time. So anyway, have a great day. Have a great Thursday, and we'll see you on the next one.